Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope you had a lovely weekend, whatever you were doing this weekend. So this week in our numbers, we're going to be looking at patterns like you were on Friday with Miss Selwyn. We're going to look at the number 11. We're going to meet number 11 number block. And then we're going to talk about odd and even numbers. So it's a very exciting week. Now, on Friday, your mums and dads might have told you it's Hip Hip Hooray Day, which means we're having a party for all the children who were born in January, who were born over Christmas, who had their birthday over Christmas. So get yourselves dressed up on Friday morning. It's going to be really exciting. So today we're having a bit of a birthday themed maths lesson because can I tell you a secret? It's my birthday today. And the first game we're going to play is all about the number I am today. I'm not 4 today. I'm not 5 today. I'm 21. That's right. Mums and dads, please don't laugh. I'm 21 years old today. That's how old I am. So we're going to play a game called 21, and I love this game. We play this a lot at school. So in this game, you can play with as many people as you like, but you need at least one other person, so you can't play it on your own. So since everyone's outside at the moment in school, I'm going to play with the Gruffalo. Okay, I wonder who's going to win, me or the Gruffalo. Okay, the game is you have to count to 21, and there's only one rule. You're not allowed to say 21. If you say 21, you lose. You are out of the game. So you're allowed to say, count on in ones, 1 number, 2 numbers, or 3 numbers, okay? So I might start by saying 1, and the Gruffalo would say 2, 3, 4. I can say 2 numbers in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the Gruffalo is out. So the person who says 21 is out. So practicing counting on from any number, and we're practicing counting numbers to 20 and one further, 21. So really good skills in the early years. So pause the video here and have a go at playing with as many people as you want in your house. 21. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that game, and I wonder if you won. I wonder who won in your house. Please do let me know. Okay. We're going to carry on learning about patterns today. So the first job is to watch Pattern Palace. But I don't want you to just watch the video the whole way through. Adults at home, I want you to stop the video just before the number blocks cross their bridge so the children can tell you what pattern is going to be on the bridge, if that makes sense. So just before they cross the bridge each time, stop the video and get the children to talk about the pattern. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay, well done, boys and girls. Super description. So you were describing colours in that one, but patterns can be anywhere. Patterns can be all around your home. You can make patterns with your toys, and I saw lots of you doing that on Friday, so well done. And I've got a pattern challenge for you now. So you can either do it with me on the board, or mums and dads, I have put the grids that we're about to use on the school website, so you could download those if you wanted. If you can't see it very well, or sometimes I get in the way, or you want to have a go yourself, then that is brilliant. So what we're going to do is make a pattern. I know it says make a number, but make a pattern. And I've got lots of things here I can make a pattern with. And like I said, you could use anything you want. So my first pattern is a really simple one thing, second thing, A, B pattern. And that's just going to repeat 2 things. So I'm going to choose, oh, we don't want that. I'm going to choose, get rid of this, well, we'll go. Banana and an apple, okay? So what would come next if it's 1, 2, A, B pattern? Banana, apple, banana, apple. Okay, and that would carry on all the way around. Now for this pattern to go on and on and on and on, it would have to be an apple here, because then it would start again. Banana, apple, banana, apple. So my question is, can you work out, boys and girls, with an A-B pattern, will I end up going round and round? Will an apple end up here? So I've got a continuous pattern. So mums and dads, this is why you might want to stop, either draw your own grid, print the grid off that we've done, and have a go at explaining it and talking about it and actually physically doing it. But my question is, boys and girls, can my pattern be continuous? Can it go round and round with an A-B pattern? Off you go. Okay, let's see if we're right. So the next thing would be a banana. Next thing would be a apple. Well done. Next thing would be banana. Next thing would be apple, then banana, and then apple. So if you notice, boys and girls, my pattern never stops. Banana, apple, 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 banana. And it would just go round and round and round like that because my pattern isn't broken. Okay, so let's get rid of these bananas and apples. So we can always try something different now. Ooh. Okay. This time, my pattern isn't going to be A, B. A, B. So, I'm going to go red, red, green. Red, I'm going to leave it there. Okay, so my question is, what comes next? Red, red, green, red. Yeah, red, green. So, right. Will the same thing happen again? Will my pattern be continuous or will it get stopped at the end? Will it make sense over here? Will I be able to complete my pattern? Off you go. Okay, let's finish it and see what happens. So there's my red, there's my red, there's my green, then red. Ooh, doesn't work this time. Red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red, green. But if I change it for a green, 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 doesn't work. So A, doesn't work on this grid. Never mind, let's try a different one. Let's get rid of these down here so they're out the way. There we go. Right, this time we're going to do, right up here, A, B, C. So 3 different colours. So I'm going to go red, green, blue. Okay, what would come next? Red, green, blue, red, yeah, green. Then I need a blue. Then I need a, then I need a red. Oh, I'm doing it for you. Slow down, Miss Nicholas. I'm too excited by the patterns. Okay, will this one fit? Yes or no? Okay, let's see if you're right. Red. What comes next? Green. Red. If you ever forget, go back to the beginning on a pattern. It really helps. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Red, oh. Now I've got 2 reds next to each other. That doesn't work. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Red, red. That doesn't work. Never mind. Okay. So A, B, C doesn't work on this grid. Let's try another one. I'm going to try and make a really tricky pattern now. Out of the way. Can't get rid of them. Okay, what was my next one? Oh, I know. Okay. Let's try A, B, B, C. So colour, 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 another colour. Okay, so I'm going to go red, red, blue, blue, green, red. Can you carry on my pattern? Does it fit? Let's see if you're right. So we need another red, red, blue, blue, green, red, red, blue. Where's all the blues gone? Blue, green. Red, red, blue, blue, green. Red, red, blue, blue, green. Red, red, blue, blue, green. Does it fit? Yeah! So A, B fit. And A, B, B, C fit. And that's because both those numbers can be shared into 10, which is the number of squares we had. But don't worry too much about that, boys and girls. That would be a little bit older reasoning. Okay, so we've had a go at this grid. I've actually got a grid here that's a bit bigger. We had 10 squares in the last one. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 squares in this one. So at this point, I'm going to do the first 2 with you, and then I want you to have a go. I can put it on the website if mums and dads want to have a little look at a few more of those ones we've just done. You can make up your own patterns and see which ones fit and don't fit. Obviously, you can use real objects. You don't have to just look at my screen. So let's start with our A-B pattern. Okay, so I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose sweets. Red sweet, green sweet, red sweet. Too many red sweets. Green sweet. Okay, so will my pattern fit the whole way around? Now I've got 12 boxes. And there are 2 different colours. It's a pattern of 2. What do you think? Okay, let's have a try. Red, green. Shout out what comes next. Well done, what comes next? Oh, no. And a green. And a red. And a green, and a red. Hope I don't run out of sweets here. And a green, and a red. And, oh no, that's wrong. This green one doesn't want to come. There we go, green. Red, green, 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 red. It goes all the way around and round and round. Yeah, AB, our 2 pattern fits. Fantastic. Okay. So you don't have to listen to me for any longer, boys and girls, because I feel like you've sat and listened brilliantly for a long time. Stop the video here and have a little go at these patterns yourselves. So you can do AB, you could do A, B, C, you could do A, B, or B, B, A. You could do A, B, B. There's another one, you can have a 4 pattern of 4, or A, B, B, and a C. You could do a 5 pattern. Which ones fit? Or you could make up your own. A, B, C, B, C. Totally up to you guys. So what kind of patterns can you come up with, and do they fit? Which patterns fit? 2 pattern, 3 pattern, 4 pattern, or 5 pattern? Off you go. Fantastic, boys and girls. Really good investigating, and I hope you are using lots of your reasoning and your language talking about our patterns. Right, time for our last activity of today, and for this you need some paper and then paints or colours or glitter or glue or scissors, anything you have at home, gems, anything exciting. Because it's our birthday week, it's our hip hip hooray, and it's my birthday, we're gonna have a birthday activity to finish on. I'd like you to make me, disappeared from the screen while I pick this up, I think it's still a bit wet, some pattern wrapping paper, okay? Now you could use an AB pattern, a 1-2, an ABC to make your wrapping paper, an AAB, AABB, AB, as complicated as you want to go, okay? But I'm going to show you, I asked a little girl who's in school today to make me it, and I'm going to show you, and I think she's at home today actually on a Monday. I can't quite remember, so she's going to be very excited to see this. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, and she's even put glitter because she knows how much I love glitter to make me some very sparkly wrapping paper. I would be so happy if somebody wrapped a present in this for me. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, can you guess what pattern she used? Fantastic. She used a 2-step pattern. So she's got pink, triangle, blue, square, pink, triangle, blue, square, pink, triangle, blue, square. It's fantastic, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful pattern. So well done. Well done, this little girl. She got a red sticker for doing a really good job for me. Beautiful. So that is your final maths challenge for today. Is can you make some beautiful patterned wrapping paper using whatever you've got at home? It could be paints, could be pencils, you could colour some beautiful patterns. It's totally up to you. You could even wrap up some presents for your teddies or your brothers or sisters or whoever's at home with your amazing wrapping paper when you finish. This one's still a bit wet. She did this job for me just before they went outside. So I can't wrap anything just yet, but maybe later I could wrap up something. Don't forget, boys and girls, to keep looking for patterns all around. Patterns are everywhere. You could make patterns if you get some sweets for a nice treat. You could make some patterns. Things like wrapping paper or your wallpaper at home might have patterns. Make patterns with your toys. You can spot them everywhere. Patterns are a beautiful part of life. So keep spotting those patterns and putting it on. Get mums and dads to put it on tapestry if you make or spot any patterns of your own. Well done for working so hard today. I hope you enjoyed our pattern lesson. That was a bit tricky, but I'm really impressed that you stuck with it and gave it a really good go. You're all working so hard at home, so do keep it up. And I'll see you tomorrow. And we get to meet number 11, number block, which is so exciting. So I'll see you then.